8MP 4K POE IP Explosion-Proof Dome Camera, Next-Level Outdoor Surveillance. Are you looking for a high-resolution, ultra-durable security camera that can withstand extreme outdoor environments? Meet the 8MP 4K POE IP Metal Dome CCTV camera engineered for the most demanding security needs. Top features you'll love: Ultra HD 8MP 4K video, capture razor-sharp footage in stunning detail. Perfect for identifying faces, license plates, or small movements. H.265 video compression, save bandwidth and storage while maintaining incredible video clarity. IK10 anti-vandal and explosion-proof rating built with a rugged metal dome housing, ideal for industrial zones, warehouses, and high-risk environments. IP66 waterproof and dustproof, built for tough weather conditions, rain, dust, or sun, it performs flawlessly. PoE, Power over Ethernet, simplified installation with a single cable for power and data. No need for a separate power outlet. OnDiff support seamlessly integrates with most NVR systems and third-party software. Powerful night vision ensures 24/7 protection even in total darkness. Perfect for warehouses, construction sites, villas, residential properties, factories and fuel stations, parking lots and public spaces. Incredible deal, now only $24.19 on AliExpress. Click to buy now on AliExpress at product link in the video description. When security matters most, choose performance you can trust. Upgrade your surveillance system today. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.